Alright, so yeah, it's been a little, but I just got a package. Yeah, that's for the Z3. It's actually a roll bar. About to unbox it. I paid $155. There's actually a 15% off eBay coupon when I bought it, so it's pretty good. Oh, just set that up a little. Comes with this like decal for their company, excess power proven performance parts. Dope. Close-up view on it. Alright, so this is the double hoop style roll bar for the Z3. They go into your trim pieces right here. This little circle pops out. It's pretty sick, actually, honestly. Like, nothing too crazy. Comes with your gaskets right there. It's heavy. Oh, I didn't even know that. It's actually branded right here. I don't know if you can catch that. I'm gonna come close to the camera. It says excess power, same thing as the decal that they sent us. It's pretty sick. Matching decals. The quality on it is actually very good. I feel like it's really shiny. The welds look kind of clean. Basically, it's gonna look like this. Connects onto your trim pieces like that. Can't wait to install it. Other than that, this roll bar came out really nice. That's how it's supposed to look. Not bad.